Well, hey, you guys, just coming on here really quickly. I just defrosted and cooked in the microwave, reheated one of my ziti dinners that I froze the other day. Hot. Just want to show you how well these freeze and how amazing they taste. Even better than the first day I made them. Look at that. So this one could have had a little bit more mozzarella cheese, maybe a little bit more Parmesan. But it's fine, and it's a perfect portion for me. So these containers, this is how deep they are, probably about an inch. Perfect for quick dinners, quick lunches, when you don't have time, when you don't feel like cooking. Perfect. Thanks for watching, you guys. I just wanted to show you that I do use the foods that I make. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you like this video.